point here for this mini bout. We've got 10 minutes left, roughly, in this game.
Vandals at 47, Rocket Queens at 27. Emma Go-Getter fighting her way up into that defense. Stormy Heather, though, back in from the penalty box, but just barely. Emma Go-Getter, lead jammer.
She calls it right off. She's not going to let Stormy Heather in that pack. No way, no how. I'd like to give a big thanks to our referees volunteering at this game, doing a fantastic job.
Indeed, they are. Kappa Deviator with the start for the Vandals.
And Dan Zigzag for Angel City. By Ventura against Dan Zigzag. It looks like both jammers are headed to the penalty box. So we've got a little cancellation happening over there.
That's right, we're gonna flip-flop like it's an election year. Kappa Deviator first in, first out. Dan Zigzag, of course, will be released in that same amount of time.
Nice analogy, by the way.
I like the words. Kappa Deviator, of course, breaking the pack, but we are going a marathon jam until the natural conclusion. Neither jammer eligible for lead because of that tricky penalty box. Strange how 3 seconds can change your life, Casey Bomber.
That's true, and you know what? 2 minutes is an especially long time in a 20-minute mini bout.
Kappa Deviator putting up 4 points as the Rocket Queen sending Vava Magina to the penalty box. Looks like Dan Zigzag getting 4 points of her own, but Kappa Deviator also through. Kappa Deviator ahead, 1 scoring pass right now.
We got a 28-point game here. Vandals leading Angel City Derby Girls with 7 minutes left on the clock. Can Angel City Derby Girls catch up and overcome as they did in the last game?
Well, I'm sure we shall see, but Kappa Deviator puts up 5 points before the end of the Stevo Adam here in the house, giving us some Adam wheels. They've also got some trucks. They also have some interesting novelty items for you to purchase as well.
Novelty items, you say?
Indeed. Emma Go-Getter putting on the start for the Vandals.
And we've got a new jammer out for Angel City Derby Girls, Filthy One. Filthy One making her debut as a jammer in this day of roller derby. She is the lead jammer.
Emma Go-Getter garnering a cut track penalty, so Filthy One and the Rocket Queens in a power jam situation right now.
And as Megatron would say, that's exactly what they need right now. And a very tight pass on the outside by Filthy One, just right on the line of Vegas against Orange County.
I do believe, actually, if my memory serves me correctly, it was a power jam for Satan's Little Helper that kind of turned the tide of that last game. And it looks like she's at it again. Satan's Little Helper, lead jammer.
It definitely was a power jam by Satan's Little Helper that turned that tide, and the Rocket Queens are doing exactly what they did last game, keeping that pack at a dead standstill, only moving backwards, trying to make it easier for Satan's Little Helper to pass through that wall for the Vandals.
Satan's Little Helper bouncing off of Blushy Lushy at the top of the pack. Blushy Lushy joined by Titty Kitty and Chronic Speed, but they have to let her go. Grand Slam, Rocket Queens.
That's a lot of stopper work going on by Satan's Little Helper. Lots of fast footwork, getting knocked out of bounds, going back behind the blockers, coming back in, going past them. That's 15 points she's picked up so far.
That's right, closing that gap. It's only a 10-point gap right now. We're still in the fray of this jam. Emma Go-Getter, though, ending the power jam.
Hefty block by the Vandals on Satan's Little Helper in the back of the pack. She does not want to get 8-point game with 3.5 minutes to go. This is about what that last game looked like for ACDG, and we saw them come out 1 point ahead. Right now, getting that lead jammer status is absolutely crucial for Angel City if they want to take this game.
Camp on Deviator with the lead jam. Vendals control the clock as they send Fatal Traction out to the penalty box. It's like Stormy Heather out and ready to score points.
Angel City hemorrhaging jammers in this jam.
Passes for both teams with exception of those jammers. The Vendals fans amping it up over from the bleachers. But out in lead, I believe that is
Satan's Little Helper.
Camp on Deviator playing a little Iron Woman Derby in 2 times in a row. Titty Kitty being sent out to the box.
Satan's Little Helper laps Camp on Deviator, looking to pick up another point or two. We have
Lushy, the only blocker out on their for BCDD. She comes up against Satan's Little Helper. And Camp on Deviator heads to the penalty box.
Satan's Little Helper has all of the opportunity to pick up points right now. We've got a 2-point game. And Angel City Derby Girls takes the lead. Another lead change. This looks a lot like the last game Angel City played.
Chronic Speed sent to the penalty box. It's all nice and full. We're seeing We Three Friends. And the Vendals know that they're violating my contract agreement with them right now.
My goodness, in 20 minutes that you've got. This jam is going to start off as a power jam for Angel City Derby Girls. She's got less than 1 minute on the clock. She busts out of the pack. She is your lead jammer. Filthy One might be the jammer to finish this game. She has got 5 points. That's a grand slam she's picked up in this, most likely our last jam of the game.
Filthy One's bench looking for that 0 on the period clock.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't call it a comeback because that seems to be their style.
80-67, ACDG on top. That's the unofficial final right now, but I'm sure we're going to make it official like Julius Pleaser's mustache.